Hello, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a pack for you guys from Amazon, and I have simple thing. We have some charging battery. We're trying different type of charging battery for you guys. So this is, let's check it. Let's unpack this lovely pack from Amazon. This Prime service comes very fast, 1 or 2 days mostly. Okay. So I'm gonna take this out from here. Lovely. This is Energizer AA 4-pack, 1350 milliamp battery in this case. Double time, 2x longer lasting. Lovely packaging, no plastic. You say these days there are no more plastic. It's a paper pack. Energizer universal AA size of battery, 4-pack. They are pre-charged normally. This is one of the best charging battery you can buy. The best one is from Panasonic. I have many videos. If you ask me best rechargeable battery, this could be Panasonic. This one Eneloop, this one is the best, lasts more. And this one is the second best in this case. Energizer, second best. Okay, without any further ado, let me tear apart this pack from behind. I think can open. You see here is a tag protected. Taking out this one, here we go. A pair of battery I take out for you guys to show you. Look how it is. Energizer, put here down, AA size, lovely head, beautiful, high quality. This is authentic, original. Let's see the head, everything is perfect. You have to check sometime because these days in some of the places they can send you a duplicate, a copy battery. Okay, so in this case you have to check this is original, authentic or not. Here if we put in loop side by side, is the same size. Obviously it's AA, is universal size, but you see how is the bottom. So let's see it's coming with pre-charge or not. Here I have Philips hair remover, one of the best hair remover. If you like, if you want to check this product, check the video description. I have video on many type of hair remover as well. So I'm putting this battery on here inside and we'll close this. Lovely. Let's see. Perfect. So it's coming with pre-charge, these batteries, as it said at the advertisement. Lovely battery, a simple video guys for you. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.